Aloha kako! I'll be showing you how to make Hawaiian Style Beef Stew. This is a dish I remember growing up with. To start off, prep beforehand your vegetables and meat. Crush 1 clove of garlic. Dice up a medium-sized onion. Chop up 3 celery stalks. 2 large peeled carrots. And 2 peeled potatoes. Set aside 8 ounces of canned tomato sauce. Cut bite-sized pieces from 2 pounds of chuck roast. Then cover all sides of the meat in flour. Heat up a large pot over medium heat. Add in about a tablespoon of oil, then brown the crushed garlic. Add in the floured meat and stir it until it begins to brown. Add in 4 cups of water. Get the water to simmer by letting it boil first, then turning the heat down to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer on low for 2 hours. This will tenderize the meat. After 2 hours, give it a quick stir, then add in all of the vegetables: potatoes, carrots, celery, onions, and the tomato sauce. Stir to mix all of the ingredients together. Bring it to a simmer again and cover the pot and let it cook for 20 minutes or until the potatoes are soft. Uncover the pot and begin to salt and pepper it to taste. You can serve it over hot rice or just in the bowl. Enjoy your hot meal, Hawaiian Style Beef Stew.